Waymo was actually one of the first companies to start doing driverless tests on public roads and launched some limited driverless ride-hail services in 2019, 2020. Cruise has been a little more recent, and middle of 2022, they got a permit to actually start operating paid rides.
Fully driverless operations in San Francisco started in 2020 with limited rider programs. Rides were then expanded to include small groups of the public that have been invited or had signed up on a wait list. It costs similar to what you'd expect from Uber or Lyft. I took a ride in a Cruise a few weeks before the DMV suspended its permit. So we ordered.
No. By embracing 3D printing and off-the-shelf components, Senaor has created an open-source robotics hardware platform.
Okay, come out. Move it.
Are in a country that's far away, with different languages
Yeah,
and different
nice.
cultures,
Go again.
you can still produce this outcome.
Yeah, it's off. On again.
It's solving problems and building
I think I see the problem. Playing. Then where do I click? What do I click?
Give me a second. I like this, yeah.